Furore. The name derives from the furious waves that 200 meters below provide the soundtrack to this wonderful town. A walker's paradise. So here are a few. So here we are at the start of Via dell'Amore, the Passeggiata dell'Amore, Lover's Lane. Very, very romantic, these Furorese. But come on, let's go and I'll show you the wonderful view on the other side. This trail is only approximately 300 meters. It's very easy and can be enjoyed by all, but they say it's perfect in two, of course. All trails have been given a name for a specific reason, and this one is no different. Romance. As you walk along, you can marvel at the Maiolica tiles, each one depicting a different lover's phrase, and at the end you reach this breathtaking bird's eye view. You can either decide to turn back towards the centre of Sant'Elia or continue along the Via Agave in Fiore leading towards Praiano. Today we're going to head back towards Sant'Elia. So let's go. Another hidden beauty of Furore, maybe not a secret anymore because it's becoming more and more popular, but is another little sentiero. It's doable but takes about 40 minutes from Sant'Elia to get down to the fiordo, and that's via the Sentiero della Volpe Pescatrice. The literal translation is the fishing fox, inspired by the mythical creature the Pistrice, which was half dragon, half serpent. The locals wanted a figure to represent truly themselves and their astute ability to survive both from the sea and from the land, the mountains, the Monti Lattari. Hiding among the lush vegetation, you'll be able to see the Macaronaro, an old pasta factory. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more of Scanfurore's secrets. See you next time.